Hi friends, welcome to Fun with Vihaan. So today we are going to make an origami butterfly which looks like this. I have made it with old paper and newspaper. So we are going to make a fair one. Let's get started. So here I have a square sheet of paper. I have scissors. I have 2 color pens and a bottle of glue. So first fold the paper into half in a diamond shape. So make a perfect line like this, and then fold it again into half. So this forms something like this. Now make it again a square and fold it into half. Means take the upper corner to the lower one, and let's fold, and again fold it into half. Like this. And now comes the tough part. Just hold this paper and lift a corner like this of this, and lift another corner, make it a straight thing. Then lift another corner, and then again do it. Then again do this, lift another corner, and then fold it. It becomes like this. Fold one edge to this side like this. Fold the edge like this. Do it like this, and then fold the other one. This becomes a triangle. Now then fold this triangle correctly into half where the line, and here is another triangle. Now you can see an open side of it like this. So hold this here and cut it into a curved shape like this, and open it. So here still 2 is here, 1 is here. So it will look like this, and then turn it over, and then take one flap and fold it like this. Lift one flap and fold it. Another example. See, take one flap and do it. Fold it up. Yeah, like that. Fold it correctly. And then here is a tip. So just flip it over. Means turn it upside, turn it back side, and then take this tip back fully. Take it more back, and again do it like this, and then pull it until you see an enough big triangle for the face like this, and fold that triangle inside like this. Fold it that, and now open the glue bottle and put some glue. Yeah. this like this, and then fold it, fold it, fold it, fold it, fold it. Good, good. Like this. So here comes something like a butterfly. Now then just fold that into half. Yeah, key. Yeah, fold it, otherwise it will not operate. And then make the edges straight, like this, fold it into half. So now it has become proper. So now let's draw the face island design. Just draw an smiley face or anything you want, and then take a pen and you may draw any pattern. I am drawing here an heart pattern. Yeah, I am drawing any pattern. Here I may draw different one like circles. You may draw stars, lines, diamonds, anything. It's your turn. I'm going to make. Now here I may draw different patterns like so draw the diamond, draw the diamond, and now here I am drawing triangles. So here is the butterfly done. So here how to operate it. So just turn over the butterfly, you will see two holes. Keep your thumb finger and your index finger into it and just fold it. Open, fold, open, fold, open, fold, open, fold, open, fold. This will become a butterfly. You saw now, friends, how was this butterfly? So, if you like this video, click the like button below. If you dislike it, just click the dislike button below. And please subscribe to Fun with Vihaan for our new updates of our arts and crafts. So, let's meet in the next video. Bye friends.